Welcome or welcome back, Gems and Gents. I know I have been away, but let's get into this Pink October Breast Cancer Awareness nails. I am now buffing away my old PolyGel. And you will see me just filing and shaping as I have applied on this hand, but I will go back and show you guys what I do with other nails. So here I am applying some pink glitter PolyGel. Not sure what brand it is, but it is a brand off of AliExpress. I do remember that. As I stated, these are going to be some breast cancer awareness, just pink. I don't have any ribbons or bows, breast cancer awareness bows, but I decided to just do pink for this set. So I'll be using some stickers and some PolyGel that I've had for a while that has like these pink, I think pink, different variations of pink and maybe blue glitter in them. I'll let you guys listen to this music for a moment while I slow it down so that you guys can see me just lay the PolyGel in my application process. I do use 91% alcohol. And on my middle finger and I think my thumb, I will be using clear PolyGel because I am going to paint over the ones that have clear PolyGel on them. Hope you guys have been good. I know I've been away for a while. Y'all, sometimes life be lifing it up and you just have to take a break, step away, and regroup. So that is what I have done, but hopefully I'm able to push out these videos weekly. I have still been recording, just unable to edit and do anything else. As you guys know, I am in school, so I have to do that, and then family and just life in general, work. So hopefully I can do a lot better. Definitely owe it to you guys and to myself to be more consistent, and not to mention this algorithm. It don't take inconsistency. Don't like it at all. But as you can see, I am trying to make this PolyGel application as neat and thin as possible so that I will not have to do so much filing and shaping and buffing. And a lot of times I don't really have to do any. I may have to buff my nails, and I think I did lose some footage, but you guys will see that. I don't know if I edited over it, but I could not find it once I was done trying to select my clips to edit. I could not find it at all, so this is what we are left with, but I think it's pretty much detailed. I did try to slow down parts so that you guys would be able to see what was done. You will see me now go into applying some clear PolyGel on my middle finger. I'm not going to go finger by finger, but I will show you where I laid the pink, now where I lay the clear, or where I lay the glitter PolyGel, where I lay the clear PolyGel, and then I'll show you some other things that I do with my polishing and then selecting the stickers. I will be doing some videos where I am, doing different nail things that are popular, like the French tip type nails with designs on them. I wanted to do the denim nails, but because I do work and I do my own nails, sometimes I just can't be too crazy with the nails because all of the time I don't have time to pop them off and do a different set to be able to go to work. I'm just laying this pink PolyGel. Of course, I go slower around the cuticle and very much so thinner around the cuticle than I do on the tip and in the middle area, because you definitely want that middle area built up. I don't have issues with nails breaking. I did have an injury to my pinky finger where I was hanging some drapes or blinds, and the nail drill lifted my entire, went across my nail and lifted my entire nail off my nail bed. So that nail did end up falling off, and in some of my more recent videos you guys will see that nail has grown back. So I will now be able to put a nail on it. It's probably been a year since I was able to really do anything to it. So it's coming along. And as you can see, I'm just laying this polygel. I did try to slow these areas down because a lot of people, when I read comments on other YouTubers' pages, a lot of people want to see it more detailed, not so sped up. They really want to see that it does take time to do this. So I say if I push out a 20-minute video, I probably was recording, or it probably took me some hours to do my nails. When I do both hands, I may work 4 hours or better sometimes, depending on what I do. If I'm hand painting or doing things like that, it may be about 4 hours. But if I am just laying the polygel and doing some quick, like these stickers I did, it probably took me about 2.5 hours from start to finish. So I am using this polygel is Macart. And I think the other pink was Yinkits, and that is in AliExpress. I think I got it from AliExpress. I do try to use variations of things just to try them out so that, if I recommend something, I know it's good. I do love Macart's Polygel, the clear, because Macart's Polygel clear is just amazing. I will be purchasing some Long Hair Pretty Nails polygel because Evie is one of my favorite YouTubers, big YouTubers. I support a lot of small channels. I subscribe to a lot of small channels because I feel like we small YouTubers should help one another grow. So I do try to support small YouTube channels. Even they're bigger than mine right now, but I do try to support the smaller channels because everybody flocks to the big channels, but these smaller YouTubers, they're getting it out the mud. They're actually out here grinding still. They're doing what the big YouTubers did in the beginning, just grinding. They're answering comments. They're doing giveaways. So I want to support, but Evie is my favorite YouTuber. I remember when I was just a nail enthusiast trying to start doing my own nails, I would just watch countless Evie videos, and it took me years to start. But I started years and years ago, and I always wanted to do the nail YouTube channel. But listening to other people will kill your spirits about certain things. People were like, oh no, this, and that. If you're not out there shaking your butt and showing skin, nobody's going to watch, nobody's going to subscribe, nobody's going to support. So y'all, let's prove them wrong, because people do support positive channels. People do support, people just out there trying to show somebody how to do something. I'm not a professional nail tech. I do not have a nail license. I enjoy doing my own nails, and of course I'll do some people's nails within my family or maybe a friend. But I enjoy it. It's just something that I enjoy, and it saves money. So anything that'll save me a coin or 10, I'm definitely gonna try to learn to do. So a lot of times I do my own hair. I will have some lock videos because, as you guys know, I am locked. So I will have some lock videos. I know I have my first lock detox video that I need to edit. As you can see on this clip, I am just wiping off that tacky layer, and I am on the other hand, but y'all don't mind that. I just wanted to get you some clips of what I do. So that was just a 70% alcohol pad. Wipe off that tacky layer so that my gel polish won't stick and get hair and all types of things stuck to it, and it'll be just a more smoother looking polish application. So now this is the white polish. I'm pretty sure this is a Beetles white polish. I am now cleaning up any mistakes or imperfections that I made around my cuticle area and the side walls of my nails. And this is, I'm cleaning anything that may have run over on my skin. And I'm just using 91% alcohol. I forgot to mention my slip solution that I use for my polygel application is 91% alcohol. Sometimes I may use 70. You'll learn which ones to use due to the consistency of the polygel. I've been doing it long enough that I know what I can use 90% on, what I have to use 70% on, because some polygels will cloud your alcohol. Even with clear, it'll cloud your alcohol. So I try to use the different variations in alcohol. So this is my second coat of white, because this nail set will be majority pink and white. The majority of my nails will be pink and white. I think the stickers are pink and white. So I may have a little blue, but mainly pink and white. So here I am adding my second coat, and I am curing off camera. I do have a nail lamp. It is quite old. I've had it for like lots of years, maybe about 4 or 5 years. So I will be getting some new nail lamps, and then I try to pass these things down to family members or friends. Some things I don't open that are sent to me, I will give them away. So I do have things to do, giveaways. I have some Temu videos to upload that are going to be given away in giveaways. So as we reach milestone subscribers, like when I reach 100 subscribers, I think I might do a giveaway, then another one maybe at 500 subscribers. But I constantly want to do giveaways. Just have to get around the scammers, but I want to do giveaways just to give back to my subscribers and let people know that I thank you for supporting me. Even if I say it out of my mouth, sometimes you need something tangible to show you that I appreciate it. And that is something that I will always do on my channels, is do giveaways. But do not get caught up in scams. Trust me, I'm going to do something different as far as my Instagram that I never get on. I'm strictly just YouTube. I do have a Facebook page, but I really don't do much over there either. But I will start. That way I have ways to reach out to people directly to let you guys know if you win. So it'll always be me, and we'll figure out how to have it where you don't get caught up in any scams, because I hear too much about the scams attached to giveaways. So a lot of people stop doing them due to the scams. So I don't want anybody to get scammed in my name, or thinking it's me. So we definitely have to look into something to get past that. So once I find a way to bypass that, I will be doing giveaways, because I have a lot of merchandise and products and things that I have to give away to nail enthusiasts and other things like keyboards and things like that. So as you can see, I am doing that ring finger, and I am just cleaning it up now. And I do apply 2 coats on each, my pointer finger and my ring finger, because these are the nails that the stickers will go over. And then I do cure off camera for 60 seconds. Once I get everything cleaned up, I will cure off camera for 60 seconds, and then I will start to apply stickers. So you guys will see that here in a little bit. I'm just gonna let this music play for the duration of this. As usual, you guys, I love you. Thank you. I am back. I will be posting, so expect greater things later. Remember to always be you. Be you, notoriously natural. Whatever you do in life, do it notoriously, naturally, you, the way you want to do it. Have a standard for your life. Have a code for the things that you do in life. Have boundaries that you won't overstep. And just be you. Live life the way you want to. Don't let people steal your joy, steal your fire, steal your thunder. If you want to do something and it is not harming anyone and not shameful to you, as a person or to anyone else, you do that. Live your life the way you want to. As usual, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be posting a Q&A once I get to doing things on my Instagram page. But again, I love you guys, and just be great in life. Here's the music. See you guys later.